Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a surprise PR package here from Nail Reserve. I was not expecting this. I checked the mail yesterday, which was Valentine's Day. I saw this box and it said, you know, of course it was addressed to me, and then it said AMS on the top, and I thought, what is this? I don't remember like ordering, you know, something or whatever. But then I was thinking, oh, a lot of times the Nail Reserve, you know, they come in this kind of box. So I brought it in the house and I opened it, and yes, they sent me some polishes. Thank you so much. I just took a little peek, you know, to make sure, you know, what it was. And so I emailed my rep and I said, thank you so much, you know, for the surprise. And so yes, we're gonna go ahead and open this. I did notice they were pinks. Well, there was pinks in there. I just kind of looked real quick. So yes, I'm so excited. Thank you so much. I'm just so appreciative. I absolutely just was so surprised, and yeah, what a nice surprise. So yes, look at these colors. Look how gorgeous. Yeah, like I said, I just took a peek and I saw like pink, and I was like, okay, I wonder if this is like a Valentine's collection, you know, or not. Let me check on that. All right, so I looked, I don't really see anything that said like Valentine's collection or whatever, but I think they just still wanted to put in like a little pink kind of a collection here. So yeah, I'm just wiping them off because this paper stuff, you get, you know, like the little fuzz on there. So yeah, we're just gonna take them out here and take a look. They look absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, these are little pinks here. Let's take a look at this one. We have Pixie Dust. Yeah, I do like their polishes. Ooh, this one's really pretty, and they smell so good. They literally smell like bubble gum, like sweet. Oh my gosh. And then this one is Quartz Rose. Ooh, that is very pretty. A very, very light pink. These are going to be perfect for spring and summer coming up here, Easter. Ooh, this one is shimmery. Yes, I can already smell them. They smell, just opening it, they smell so good. It's not like a overpowering, but I mean, I got like, you know, this, I enjoy the smell. So less is more. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Look at, I don't know if you can look at that shimmer. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Oh, I love it. And then we have Electric Rose. This one, oh, look at this. Look at this bright, like a carnation pink. It's not quite a neon. Beautiful. This one is more of like a neon, bright Bliss Pink. Oh yeah, look at this. Oh, this is definitely like a highlighter pink. Oh, it's gorgeous. And then we have kind of like a nude shade, which I love getting nudes from, you know, from companies. Do Me a Favor. Oh, this is cute. This is super pretty. Very, very cute. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. I just want to check something really quick. I'll be right back. Okay, yeah, I was saying, I think I have something called Electric. So I got Electric Rose, and then they did send me the Electric Pink. I don't know if it was the last time or the time before. So yeah, of course it's different, and then it is different from the Pink Bliss. So yeah, this one's more of a darker pink. This one's more of like a lighter, not lighter, but brighter. You can tell the difference. So yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and get some swatch sticks ready, and we're going to go ahead and swatch these. Alright, so I already went ahead and put the Nail Reserve base coat down on my swatch stick, and now I'm going to start with Do Me a Favor, that really pretty like nudish color. Very, very pretty. And then next we're going to go in with Quartz Rose. Very pretty. Pixie Dust. I'm so excited to see this one. Less is more. This is that shimmery pink, and it just looks so pretty. Oh, look how cute that is. Oh my gosh, and like I said, the smell is just, oh, I love it. Look at that, how pretty. Oh. And we have Electric Rose. And then the last one is Bliss Pink. Alright, so these are the gorgeous colors here. 2 coats, and then I did apply the No Wipe top coat. This is their, when they used to be called, oops, I don't know, when they used to be called Nail Addict, but then they rebranded. So yeah, I don't have the Nail Reserve top coat, but I'm sure it's the same, you know, formula. So we're gonna take a look. The first one here is Do Me a Favor. Oh, that's such a pretty nude. I absolutely love it. Rose Quartz. This is so pretty. It's, it's not a, I mean, it's a very, very light mauve, I would say. And then we have Pixie Dust, which is a very, very pretty pastel pink. This one is just, I can't get over that shimmer. Look at that. Gorgeous. Less is more. Absolutely gorgeous. And then we have Electric Rose. Sorry, I have little hairs. And then the last one, Bliss Pink, which is this very vibrant, almost like a neon pink. It's absolutely gorgeous. So yes, I'm going to do a set, figure out exactly what I'm going to do. I'm not sure yet. So yes, I will be right back.